Hello all, this is Nikom and welcome to last video of NILET STQC exam 2021. So as you already know that your exam is scheduled on 5th of December. Admit card is already out. Okay, you can download the admit card, just log in and you can get your admit card of both the posts. So this video is for all the branches for both the post scientist B and STA, and in this video we will focus majorly on those things which you should do for these 4 days, 4 to 5 days, okay, including today's. So what are the things are there you should do and don't, we will discuss. And the most important and highlight portion of this video, that is, you can see here, round wise expected attempt. So what is the meaning of this? Basically in the last exam, that is your IGCAR exam, I hope a few candidates already gave that. Just I share this with students, okay, I did not plan it, but just share randomly in the last 5 days video. And after that, when students implement that thing in exam hall, and after exam I got feedbacks and comments like they are confident about their accuracy, means their whole process of giving exam was very smooth, because I already set up their mind that like this you need to attempt, like this you need to do like this. Okay, so at that time when I received that comments, I feel that this is the best strategy to improve your accuracy, which is the most important thing, because for NILET exam you have negative marking of 0.25 marks, right? So that's why specially I am including this thing in our strategy video of last 5 days for all the YouTube community, so that you can improve your accuracy, which is the big thing. Okay, so now just be relaxed, don't just forget about your exam. Okay, for this video just listen carefully what are the things I am talking in this video and try to implement those things. That is very much important. Okay, just be relaxed, take your notes and just note down the important thing whatever you feel. Okay, so now in this last days, the most important parameters are 3 parameters, that is your feeling. Okay, you need to manage your feeling, you need to manage your preparation, and you need to manage your exam, that is your exam, main exam. So this whole video is all about these 3 things, which are the most important things. I don't think that no one can talk about this, because to talk about this you need to go through it, right? That's why I am talking to you, because I know that these are the main important things in the last 15 days, or I can say last 5 to 6 days. Because if you got 1 year, okay, you prepare hard for 1 year, and in this last 15 to 5 to 6 days you made mistakes, then definitely your chances will go less. Okay, that's why it is most important thing to know about these things. So we will focus first on your feeling. Okay, so since from last 10 to 15 days I am receiving many messages on Instagram, call, that about students are feeling very worried about their preparation. They are not confident enough that whether they prepare fully or not. Okay, one thing I am assure you, that if you follow all the strategy videos from December 2020 to this video, okay, at least 70 to 80% if you follow it, then definitely your chances are high as compared to all our India candidates. Okay, this thing I am assuring you. But the most important thing is that you should at least do this. Okay, and I hope that if you are watching this video, then you are serious and you are connected to me from long time, and you already do all the preparation means sincerely. Okay, that is the important thing. So you have, if you have fear of incomplete preparation, whether your preparation is enough or not, whether few topics are there, you fear that whether you can make that in exam or not. Okay, obviously this fear will be there. Okay, and it is not with you, it is for all the candidates who are giving NILET STQC exam. This is also very much important thing you should know. Okay, so let me share the one experience with you guys, that just before 2 to 3 days I received a call from a student. Actually he having queries regarding test series of NILET. Okay, that's why he called me. In the start only he told me that I will not get selection because my preparation is not that much good, or I did not prepare well for the exam. Okay, so I am shocked after hearing that, and I told him that why you want test series then. Okay, obviously you know that you are not prepared, you are not you are thinking that you will not get selected, then why you are spending that much. Okay, you just you can solve the get previous year question, you can go. So one more the most important thing that he told me, that I want to try. Okay, and this is the big statement, and I means that guy was I like that attitude, that I want to try, sir, that whatever syllabus I completed, basis on that I want to try. That's why I want your test series and your mini test and mock test. Okay, So I like that attitude. So from this, what we can conclude that, okay, this fear will be among all the candidate, but the little difference is that few candidate will quit and few candidate will try. Okay, and those who will try, their chances are high. Simple rule. That's why you need to don't quit. Okay, fear will be there, but don't quit. You need to manage that fear. Just focus on your preparation. What your topics are left, just focus on that, and definitely you can make. Okay, so just try it. No need to quit. Okay, because you already know that 100% syllabus completion will never happen, obviously, for any competitive exam, not for just NILET, for any competitive exam. So this is the reality and you should know. Okay, so it is not like if you complete 90%, 100% syllabus, you will get confirmed selection. No, it is not like that. People with 60 to 70% syllabus also will get confirmed selection. Okay, because the most important thing is your confidence of attempting the question and your accuracy, right? So that's why this is the most important thing. The second feeling, that is your anxiety. Okay, many candidates are going through this and we'll go as your exam will be close. Okay, so anxiety is, see, there is very little difference between fear and anxiety. Basically anxiety means the fear of failure in future. Okay, whether I will make the selection or not, whether I can clear the cutoff or not. Okay, now few candidates are commenting that when next exam will be there, means future recruitment will be there. Okay, so this is the case or symptom of anxiety. So to tackle this or to manage this feeling, you need to just talk with yourself that okay, whatever I did, okay, that it is good, and in this last 5 days I will just focus on my performance, not on my results. Okay, whether I will get selection or not, whether I will make cutoff or not, no, I will just focus on my performance. This thing you should do. Okay, and these two feelings will be in all the candidates, okay, including topper also. In fact, the one who will top the exam, okay, he will shock that I topped the exam. Okay, this thing will be there. I am telling you based on my 9 years of experience. Okay, after talking to lakhs of candidate in this my journey of 9 years, I am telling you, including topper also, these two feelings are common in all the candidates. Okay, just the difference is that though the one who quit and the one who keep trying. Okay, irrespective of these feelings, that is the most important thing I am telling you. Okay, so you can do it, no need to worry, just focus on your performance, no need to think about the future. Okay, definitely scientist B post, few candidates have last attempt of scientist B post. I know that definitely you feeling of fear will be there because of last attempt, but just see, the feeling of satisfaction should be there. Okay, like in this case, the guy who told me that I want to try based on whatever I complete the syllabus, I want to try. Okay, so means what, he want to satisfy himself. Okay, satisfaction will be there, that it is not like after exam you will think I did not give my 100%. Okay, after giving your 100% on whatever syllabus you complete, satisfaction will be there, that yes, from my side I did everything, I follow each and every guideline of strategy video, I did everything. Okay, so if, and after that, irrespective of these things, whatever my result, I will accept it, whether it is pass, whether it is fail, I will accept it. Okay, this thing is very much important. That's why I'm telling you that try hard with yourself. Just last 5 days are there, so just give everything. Okay, full focus on NILET. Don't think about result, cutoff, competition, nothing, just only performance, right? So I hope that now you know that this fear and anxiety are most important thing having lots of candidates. Okay, and I know that now you can manage it well. Okay, and I feel that you are now in good state actually. Okay, I'm just listening to this. Now the second most important parameter about preparation management. So the first phase, that is preparation, already you guys did preparation or doing it. Okay, now the second most important thing is your revision part. So how you should revise in last 4 to 5 days. Okay, on which topics you should maximize your focus or revision, I will tell you now in this section. So see, let me start with section wise. Okay, so what section we have? We have quant, reasoning, your GK and current affairs. Okay, then your technical and your mathematics. So first I will discuss about technical and mathematics part, because this having your 78 marks are questions, 78 questions. Okay, now in every strategy video I told you guys, without GATE previous year practice you can't qualify the exam. Okay, again I am repeating the same statement that without GATE PYQ practice you can't qualify or you can't dream to become a scientist. Okay, most important thing is GATE PYQ questions, that is 1 mark question. You should practice at least 2 to 3 times minimum. Okay, I told maximum 4 to 5 times, but it's okay, 2 to 3 times also enough. But most important thing is this. Okay, and it is not like 5 or 10 year, last 30 year paper. Whatever concepts are included in GATE PYQ last 30 years papers or questions, you should know compulsory. Okay, it is mandatory thing for NILET exam. So this thing you will do for rest of the 4 to 5 days. Okay, no need to touch new topic, new question, new concept, no need to touch now. Okay, whatever the things are there in your mini test, second priority. Whatever the concept you have in your mini test, that you will go through, and whatever the concept you have in your mock test, okay, that you will do. So only this thing you will do for the rest of the 4 to 5 days, nothing more or nothing extra. I want this. Okay, so this is 60%, this is your 30%, and mock test is your 10%. So this is the division of priority. Okay, like this. Now for CSE guys and IT guys, for IT and CSE, CSE I am telling you that communication subject is there, analog and digital. 1 minute test will be there in this. In that, all I will include all the questions, possible questions they will ask you. Okay, because from communication 2 to 3 questions they can ask you. Okay, minimum. That's why all the concept I will include in that. Just go through that. Remember, definitely I included in mock test also. Just go through mock test and mini test. Okay, then one more mini test will be there on software engineering. All the concept of software engineering for both the CS and IT guys I will include in there. Okay, then for ECE guys, microcontroller, 1 minute test will be there on microcontroller, microprocessor, and already I give that microcontroller I will give you. Okay, whatever the concept I will include in that, just go through that, means go to the solutions. Okay, just go through that and try to remember. Irrespective of this, no need to do extra things, I am telling you. Okay, so these 3 things and these 3 special mini test I will give you, so that means the probability of asking the questions it will be match. Okay, like that. So this is for your technical plus mathematics part. Okay, you will follow this. Now let's start with your non-technical first, and in that we will discuss about quant. Okay, so now see, I will not tell you that this topic is important, this topic is important, because all the topics is important. Okay, we don't know that from which topic they can ask the question. This thing we don't know. I am telling you now of which topic you should do revision maximum times. Okay, you should more focus of that topic during revision. So that topic will be your profit loss. Okay, because here probability of mistakes is there. Then SICI, time and work is there. Okay, then your average is there. Mensuration basic formula you should all know of 2D and 3D part. Okay, then time and distance, trigonometry and height and distance is also very much important. So definitely do all the topics, but majorly means I can say 2 times 3 times revision of these topics, whatever I telling you. Okay, of quant. Then the next part here is your reasoning. So in reasoning also, most important thing, coding, decoding. Okay, then blood relation, direction test, then your counting figure you can do. I know missing figure, paper cutting, paper folding, easy, no need to worry. Then DI, most important thing is DI. Okay, they will give you 1 DI, and based on that DI 1 or 2 questions will be there. Okay, last time only 1 question they give, so DI will be there, and this is the most important thing you should do. Then sitting arrangement, okay, both circular, linear. Then your puzzle part. Now see, puzzle part is doubtful, because in exam there is less probability that you will attempt this, because this will take time. Okay, time is enough definitely, but if you attempt puzzle, then there is a possibility that you will end up with more time investment. Okay, and that we don't want. If you are spending 5 minutes on this puzzle, only 1 question, then definitely this is not good deal. Okay, that's why they, depending on your exam condition, I'm leaving this thing on you. Okay, depending on your condition, just think whether you will attempt that or not. Okay, depending on you. So these are the most important thing, and definitely statement and assumption, in that I am including syllogs also, syllogisms also, statement, conclusion, and course of action. These are the also most important thing. Okay, so now stop Q box, because the time of Q box is left, means it is over now. No need to do Q box. Okay, which are you got in your success pack. So stop the question of Q box. Then focus only on your mock test, your non-technical special test. Okay, whatever the questions are there, just revise this question repeatedly, And if your question, if you mark some questions in RS Agrawal, then also you can do and you can use it for revision purpose. Okay, irrespective of this, no need to do any extra thing, no need to see any extra book or material. Okay, just for 4 to 5 days repeated revision of these things, that's it, no need to do extra things. Now the third section, that is most important section, that is general knowledge, or I can say general awareness. Okay, now already I shared the syllabus of general knowledge with you, that general studies is there and your current affairs is there. Now in success pack already you got magazine, so from magazine you will do last 5 months at least. Okay, last 5 months definitely. I hope that you completed current affairs from January to November, but now for this 4 to 5 days, okay, revise 2 times last 5 months, means from November including November also. You need to revise, okay, at least 2 times minimum I want. If you are able to revise January to November, then also good, there is no problem. Okay, now for few students I told that you can skip this part, and I hope that few students will be there, those who already completed this, so you can revise this, there is nobody. Okay, and now also for this section also there is no need of Q box now, so just stop the Q box. Whatever magazine you have, revise that. Okay, the questions will be there from magazine only, I am telling you guys, so that's why focus more on magazine, because lots of efforts are there and definitely you will get questions from that. Okay, just it's depend on your ability to recollect the information during exam hall. This is very important because data is huge. Okay, from January to November data is huge, and also along with this quant is there, reasoning is there, your technical is there, lots of things are there. That's why I am telling you, try to revise, try to remember the things, important days, your important events, like that. Okay, so for GK section that is enough, no need to do any extra thing, any extra material. Okay, for that. Okay, so I hope that now it is clear that what things you need to do in these last days. Now the third and last important parameter, that is your exam. Now everything about exam we will discuss, and the first important thing is your location of center. Okay, so just locate your center through Google Maps and all the thing, plan everything. Okay, which train you will take for boarding and all these things, just plan in advance, very much important. Okay, then the next thing is your carry food and other things, very much important thing. Now see, those who already filled 2 forms, okay, your STA exam is there in morning, that is 9:30 am, 9:30 to 12:30, and then your scientist B exam is there on 2:30 p.m. means hardly here in between the exam you have 2 hours. Now definitely I will discuss that what things are very much important that you should do in these 2 hours. Okay, that thing also I will discuss with you, but before that carry food, because very much important. Okay, at least carry 2 bottles of water, because we don't know that surrounding water. Okay, we don't know, few centers have good quality or few centers have bad also, that's why it's safe that you should carry your own 2 bottles of water. Okay, then carry your food, no need to do heavy lunch in this 2 hours. Okay, just light food you need, that is you can carry nuts also, then few fruits are there, apple and banana. Okay, that you can carry, and a few things, that is sandwich also you can do. Okay, sandwich is also good. So light thing you need to eat in these 2 hours. Okay, because you don't want to sleep for scientist B exam, which is the most important post, that's why. Okay, the most important post is scientist B if you compare both. That's why I'm telling you that have light lunch, or this you can do, and also you can carry dark chocolate, which is a good thing. I hope, because I feel that. Okay, because what happened that for STA you will end up with lose of, means you will lose all the energy. Okay, definitely 3 hours paper is there, you will feel little tired after paper. That's why to refill your energy, okay, just you can carry 1 chocolate, and prefer dark chocolate, because in dark chocolate, okay, sugar content is less. Because if you eat the chocolate with more sugar content, then for a short period of time it will spike your insulin and then it will down. Okay, so definitely it will decrease your performance. That's why I'm telling you to carry dark chocolate. Okay, if possible, and otherwise you can eat curd also, and in curd sugar, few 1 spoon of sugar, like that you can take from your home also. Okay, like that. So these are the important things. See, little things are there, but this thing make big difference. That's why I'm telling you guys. Okay, because I experienced that thing, that's why I'm telling. Okay, now the most important thing, that what you should do in these 2 hours. Okay, so now what will happen after STA exam, you will come. Okay, and most of the candidate, what they will do, they will again start the reading for scientist B. This thing you should avoid completely. Okay, on 4th of December till 6 or 7, I can say, you should complete your all the preparation. Okay, there is no need to read everything after this also, because your mind need to relax also. Okay, and for this 4 to 5 days also try to sleep for 6 to 7 hours, if possible 70 to 7.7.5 hour also you can sleep. Okay, don't compromise on your food, your sleep for this last 4 to 5 days. That is also very much important, I am telling you. Okay, so what you can do, you can do, carry your notes. Okay, whatever notes you have, short notes or your books, I will not recommend books. Okay, short notes you can carry. If you have notes in your mobile, that is also good option, there is no problem. Okay, and what you should do, that suppose in STA exam the concept you know, okay, but you are unable to recollect that, or you are unable to, means you are feeling that you are not confident, that you read that but you are not confident, or you are not recollecting. Suppose in formula you forget some formula. Okay, so only those things you can see in this, and just for 15 to 20 minutes just go through it. Okay, no need to do study for this 1 hour and 1.5 hour like that. Just for 15-20 minutes give whatever formula you feel that you are failed to recollect during the STA exam, so you can see that formula carefully like that. Okay, no need to read new topic in this period, because I am telling you that few students will be there, they will read new topic, new things, because they will feel that in STA, okay, few concepts will be there that you know, you don't know. Okay, you will skip that questions, and after STA exam if you are reading that, then definitely this is your mistake, because there is, I am 100% guarantee that you will, after reading also this thing, okay, in this period you will not able to attempt that question for scientist B. If they ask, definitely they will not ask the same concept here, okay, for scientist B, but still I am telling you. Okay, so neglect this thing, only focus on those who you feel difficult to recollect, only just go through that for 15-20 minutes hardly. Okay, just 20 minutes for your eating, and then you can roam around, just look at the surrounding. Try to avoid discussion of exam. I attempted this much question in STA, okay, and I'm expecting this, okay, I'm calculating, because paper is offline, so you will get the paper in your hand, and it is not like, and your few candidates will be there, they will calculate the marks and they will discuss. Okay, try to just stay away for this, at least for these 2 hours. After a scientist B exam, definitely discussion will be this only, right? So but for these 2 hours no need to do, just relax your mind, because after 3 hours of continuous struggle, okay, mind need at least some relaxation. That's why I'm telling you, no need to discuss on Telegram, your WhatsApp. Okay, just stay away from this social media for 4 to 5 days. After this video you can turn off. Okay, no need to do anything, just focus on your exam. So that's why I'm telling you that this gap is very much important. Okay, you should properly utilize, and the things you should do or you should don't, you should know, right? Okay, now very much important thing which you will decide in home only, in this 4 to 5 days only, that which section you will attempt first. Okay, let me show you the paper, we will discuss it from with paper only. Okay, suppose now you will get the paper like this. Okay, paper is offline, you already know, you will get OMR sheet, so properly fill OMR sheet also, very much important. All the details in OMR sheet you should properly. Okay, because if you perform mistake here, then definitely there are chances that your paper will not be scanned by the machine. That's why first fill the OMR sheet properly, and then you can start the paper. Just broke the seal. Okay, so here you can see section A, that is general. Now in your exam they will give section A general and section B technical. Okay, or they can give section B mathematics and section C technical, like that, because mathematics is common for EC and CSIT. Okay, let me show you this here also. See, okay, like that, this is the technical, that is CSIT, and after that section D, that is your EC branch. Okay, like this also they can give, and section B engineering mathematics, which is common. Okay, so hardly there will be 3 sections. Now among these 3 sections already you should know that which section you will attempt first. Okay, and this thing you will get from our mock test, that is very much important. Now those who already give the mock test, because third mock test will be live today. Okay, after when you see this video, okay, it is already live. So what you can do, if suppose in 2 mock tests you start with general, because general is the first part. Okay, so today at least try with technical, and just analyze your report after, okay, the detailed report you are getting after the exam. Just analyze and compare these two reports and check your performance. Okay, if you feel that after attempting technical first your performance is good, go for that. If you are feel that no, for with general I am comfortable, and after attempting general for the first time, okay, my performance is good, then go for that. Okay, so the important thing is that you should know that which section I will attempt in the exam from today only. Okay, and that should be fixed. It is not like you will think yes I will start with general and in exam you will start with technical. Okay, because now I'm also telling you one scenario what happens, that suppose you start with general. Okay, in general, if this page having all the difficult question or all the concept you don't know, okay, at all, so what you will do, you will feel worry and you will directly go to technical. This thing should not happen. Okay, whatever you are deciding today, you will implement that things, the same thing you will implement. This is the most important statement. Okay, that's why carefully decide whether in which section you are comfortable to start with and implement that thing. Whether your paper is tough, whether paper is easy, no matter. Okay, you will follow the same thing that you will doing here. That's why mock tests are very much important, and those who are not giving till now, till the date, not give all the 3 mock tests, you can definitely do variations. Okay, 3 attempts are also there, so you can do like that. So first you will do first mock test with general section first, then second mock test with technical, like that. Okay, and third will be like that, you can give general, technical, like that. Okay, whatever you feel. So just from mock test you will get this thing, so know about yourself. Okay, okay, now the most important part of our video, that is round wise strategy. Okay, now you will get the paper in your hand, you will broke the seal, and then definitely timer will start it. Your first round will get started. Now whatever section you are starting, okay, that I am leaving to you. I am assuming that you are starting from general. Now in general also we have quant, reasoning and current affairs section or GK. Here I am assuming 14 question. Okay, each section will have, I am divided into equal weightage, right? Now the important thing is that out of these 42 questions, I hope that we already know that there is sectional cutoff. So one separate cutoff is there for general section. Okay, already I discussed in the previous videos. You can get that information if you are not unaware, if you are unaware of that. Okay, which is very much important. I already told that in the last video also, that why the sectional cutoff is most important thing for your exam. Okay, so just focus on that also. So out of this 42, I am telling you that you can attempt easily 22 questions. Okay, with no struggle. Means this 22 you can attempt out of quant, reasoning and your for this GK and current. Okay, so how I divide this from quant, suppose 7 to 8 questions you can attempt, like that. Then here also 8 to 10 questions easily you can attempt. Okay, now this is the most unpredicted section. We can't define here because definitely lots of data is there. Okay, we don't know that which question they will frame and you will give you, and whether you are able to make or not. Definitely some luck part will be also there, because whatever things you read, okay, if they ask you, then is your luck. Okay, some part is there which required your remembering power. Okay, whether it may happen that the question you already read, okay, the date suppose you already know, but you are now forgetting, you don't have confidence in that. Okay, so in that case it is difficult to attempt that question because negative marking is also there. Okay, that's why I am telling you that this section is unpredicted. I am just assuming out of 14 4 questions. It may be 10 also, it may be 12 also, depending on your preparation, depending on your luck, depending on your remembering power. Okay, so for now I am assuming this 4 questions, and total easily you can attempt 22 questions. Okay, at least 4 questions I hope that you can make, because current affairs easy question will be there from recent months, that is your October, November, September, like that. Okay, so after attempting 22 questions, okay, and I am assuming that you will take 35 to 40 minutes maximum I am taking. Okay, you will not require this much, or 45 minutes maximum. Suppose for quant and reasoning you require some time, this is the maximum time I am taking. So in 45 minutes you take 22. Okay, so time is 45, you already utilize out of 180 minutes. Total time is 180 minutes. Okay, and you attempted 22. Now go to your technical section, and in that technical, out of 78 questions you can easily attempt 35 to 40 questions. No need to worry at all. Okay, and this count I am telling with 95 to 98% accuracy. Okay, this 22, this 40 means you are 62 questions. Okay, this will be your highest accuracy question. I'm not assuming 100% because definitely 100% is not possible. Okay, some mistake you will do. 95% to 98% accuracy means this 62 question will be those in which you feel confident. Okay, you know the concept in detail, your preparation of that topic is good. Okay, only those questions are included here. Okay, whatever questions are left now, those questions are either lengthy, you need to think about that questions, you are not sure, okay, and you will just skip or you will not attempt that question at all. This also included in the whatever the questions are left. Okay, so means this 62 and this this 40 and this 22 means 62 questions out of 120 you attempted in your first round. And for technical also I'm assuming you devote 60 minutes maximum. Okay, 60 minutes you devote. So now after devoting the 60 minutes you utilize 105 minutes. Okay, I can take 110 minutes. Okay, so 110, after giving 110 we have 70 minutes left with us. And in this 70 minutes, okay, what you have now, whatever the questions are left here. Okay, now here in this 62, one more important thing, that I included only 4 questions of current affairs. Okay, if this is 10 then definitely this will be 66. Okay, here also chances that out of this 22, 25 questions will be also there. So means in the first round easily I can tell you that if paper is easy or moderate, then 70 above question you can attempt with 95 and 98% accuracy. Okay, this figure at least you should keep in your mind, that above 70 you need to attempt. And if paper is difficult, I can say, if difficult, then definitely 62, 65, that will be fair attempt in your first round. Okay, after spending your 110 minutes, or I can say 2 hours, maximum 2 hours. Now 1 hour is left. Okay, 1 hour is left. Now again come back to your general section. Now in general section 20 questions are left. General section 20 questions are left. So out of this 20 also you can attempt easily 10 to 12 questions. Okay, depending on paper level, again I am telling. And out of this 30, suppose you attempt 40, means 38 questions easily you can attempt. Okay, 15 to 20 questions in this second round if paper is easy or moderate. So like this total attempt if you see, then this 62, then it is 20, 82 and 82 and this 12. Okay, means you are 94. So approximately 100 plus you can attempt in easily first and second round combining. Okay, in first round suppose 70, then second round obviously 30 questions you will attempt, there is no problem in that. And whatever the question you don't know, just skip that. Okay, because negative marking is there, so just skip, there no need to worry about that. And yes, you can do this. So this is very much important thing, and this will definitely improve your accuracy, because you know that in round 1 this much question I want to attempt, that is 62 question I will attempt with 100% accuracy. I will try definitely. If 100%, okay, people make 100% accuracy. In last time also majority of student score 42 out of 42 marks in general section. Okay, but this time definitely it is not the case, because current affairs is there. Last time only content reasoning was there, that's why. Okay, so I hope that now it is clear that in first round what is your expected attempt, expected time. In second round what is your expected attempt, and whatever time is left definitely you will utilize this. Okay, so this is our round wise strategy, which is very much important. The next thing that you need to track the time. Now here in few centers they allow watches, so just before going to the exam, okay, just wear the watch. If they ask you to remove in your exam center, then only you can just you remove that, otherwise keep that watch with you. Okay, now in few centers if they ask you to remove, then definitely you don't have watch. So in that case what you will do, I will tell you. Those have watches, definitely you don't need to worry, because you can keep the track of your time. But those who don't have watch, okay, what you can do, after your first round, that is general plus technical, full first round, okay, that is your 60-70 questions. After your completion of that, you can ask the invigilator, okay, and they will give you time. Okay, don't shy to ask the time, just you need to ask what is the time left now. Okay, they will tell you that 2 hours left, 1.5 hour left, like this. So this thing you need to do. Okay, and if suppose there is a clock in your exam hall, then definitely it is a good thing, there is no need to worry, but still I am telling you this thing. Okay, so ask for timing after first round, and then after second round also you can ask. So at least 2 to 3 times you need to ask timing to your exam invigilator. Okay, that is the most important thing. So these are the everything most important thing. Few small topics, small points was also there, I included. Okay, just take care of this, because very much important things are there. and I hope that now you know everything about your exam management and preparation management and your feeling management also. Okay, so just have the confidence while attempting the question. Don't do that random guessing, because negative marking is there, so no need to that. Okay, just remember that if paper is tough, it will be tough for all the Orc India candidates. Okay, not just for you. So if paper is tough, definitely you don't need to demoral yourself. Just go with the flow. Whatever our strategy is there, okay, it is applicable for both the conditions, whether your paper is easy or moderate or tough. Okay, and yes, have confidence on yourself. Just whatever points I mentioned for you, okay, you can do this 4 to 5 days. Just follow that. That is very much important. And my final words is, I will not tell you everything, just I will read one statement for you guys, and this statement you should tell yourself, okay, during this 4 to 5 days also, and during exam hall also, exam time also. Okay, and that is, whatever you can do to maximize your chances of selection, you already did. Now you will focus only on your performance, not on the future factors, that is your cutoff, result, competition. Okay, just on your performance you need to do your best. You will focus on your performance. Whatever strategy we discuss, you will focus on that only. Okay, and after the exam definitely we will discuss these things, cutoff and everything will be there, because cutoff is not depend on your means it is not like a random thing. It is depend on exam level. It is depend on your candidate also. Okay, what candidate attempt, all these things. Okay, one more important thing I forget to mention in that, about trap questions. Okay, this point I left, which I included Hindi video. Okay, so trap question will be those which having wrong answers. Means you definitely your answer you will get correct, but in option you will not find that. Okay, so just be aware of that. Don't spend too much time on the question you know or you don't know. Simple. Okay, because last time also out of 120, 8 question was wrong. Okay, and what they did, they just neglect this 8 questions. Means total marks paper will be of 112 marks, and they calculate your marks based on 112 marks. They not give 1 mark of this to all candidates. Okay, so disadvantage for those who attempted this 8 questions. Suppose for this 8 questions they invested 8 minutes, so they invested this, their 8 minutes is wasted. Out of 180 minutes, 8 minutes wasted. Okay, that's why I'm telling you, don't means put maximum time in that. Suppose it may happen that you will get correct answer in first attempt. Okay, but you feel that option is not matching, so again you will solve. No, don't solve, just keep for that time and just go for other questions, and in last if you left time, then you can attempt that. Okay, so just these trap questions are very much important, and every year NILET have wrong question in their paper. Okay, this is the most important thing you should know, and you should remember this. So all the best to all our aspirants. If you feel any query, any doubt, anything, you can call me. Okay, anytime, there is no worry. I will try to attempt your call, and definitely I will try to guide you and help you out. Okay, so just focus on 4 to 5 days is left. Just focus properly and just give your best. That's it. All the best.